So here we are to talk about the green cryptos, the emerging trends in the green crypto. Right, so as we can see that whenever the cryptos are being mined, especially in the case of proof of work, there is huge energy consumption, and that creates a lot of energy issues, a lot of environmental concerns. So since everybody is shifting to the clean sources of energy, hence these mechanisms of the green cryptocurrencies are also gaining utmost popularity. So the emerging green cryptocurrencies are based on new mechanisms that reduce the carbon footprint of blockchain technology. Many of these aspects can be applied to existing, more polluting cryptocurrencies in search of solutions towards greater sustainability. This is the case of Ethereum, the system behind the most non-fungible tokens, which plans to reduce its energy consumption by 99.5% by relying on the proof of stake consensus mechanism. So proof of stake consensus mechanism is reducing the energy consumption by 99.5% for Ethereum. And that is why every crypto is shifting from proof of work to proof of stake, and new cryptocurrencies are being built on the proof of stake. While it is challenging to add the attribute of sustainability to the complex balance that cryptos pursue between decentralization, security, and scalability, experts suggest keys to green cryptos, and these are the green cryptos using the proof of stake: Shia, Cardano, Nano, Stellar Lumens, Algorand. And apart from that, many of the cryptos, so like if you talk about the proof of authority or the proof of capacity, their underlying premise is proof of stake only, right? So once they have proof of stake, they tweak it and they come up with the proof of authority or the proof of capacity.